Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a Google Chrome extension which actually allows you to check ranking of your website for a particular keyword. So this is free and unlimited extension. There is no restrictions. You can try out unlimited keywords. So the name of the extension is Fat Rank SEO Rank Checker. I've already installed it. So just go to Google Chrome Store and simply install this extension. So it's completely free and unlimited. You don't need to create any account. So simply add to Chrome, click the button, and the extension will be added. So once it is installed, this icon will appear right here. So once you go to any website, let's suppose I go to my own website, mark sheet generator. So you can go to any website and right here this icon will appear. So you click on that and this window will open. So right here you specify what keyword you want to check the ranking. So right here, let me check the keyword mark sheet generator. And right here you simply select the search engine in which country. All the countries are mentioned in the drop down as you see that. Let me select unitedstates.com. As soon as you click the check button, it will try to check the ranking for that keyword. So as you see, the position is 1. I'm ranking number 1 for this keyword. So I can even cross check if I try to manually check on Google for this keyword mark sheet generator. So as you can see, I'm ranking number 1 for this keyword. So it is simply correct, and you can try out other keywords as well. So let's suppose I simply say admit card generator. Again I click check. So again, as you see, I'm ranking number 1 for this keyword. So exactly tells you I try out another keyword fee receipt generator, and right here I simply change the search engine. So let me select any other search engine right here. So in this your website is not appearing in the top 100. So let me try out another, which is India. You will see that. So the interface is quite simple and you don't need to create an account. Simply click the extension and start using it. So you will see that it works with multiple keywords. So you come to the extension, just type your keyword. So in the session report, you exactly see how much keywords you have checked. And you can export all these data into a CSV file as well. So as soon as you click that, everything will be saved in a CSV file. So this is a very useful extension, guys, if you do want to check the keyword and the ranking of a particular keyword of your website. So all these data will be saved in a CSV file. So definitely check out this extension Fat Rank SEO Rank Checker. It's almost at 60,000 installs. So it's totally free and unlimited. There is no restriction on how much keywords you can check. And let me just try out with a different website, freemediatools.com. This again, you repeat the process. Click on check. You see we are ranking number 1 for this keyword. So this is the actual extension, guys. Definitely check this out. So it's a free lightweight browser extension. It supports all the countries. So definitely install this.